Today, I've brought 5 amazing products that combine attractive, sleek designs with smart features, but currently it is selling only in South Korea. But I wanted to share these cool products with you. Let's dive right in. First product, Robot Vacuum Cover Cabinet. The first product is a robot vacuum cover cabinet. Simply placing this cover over your vacuum station transforms it into a stylish side table. This particular version is the Pikachu edition, featuring a vibrant yellow color that's truly eye-catching. The bottom part is slightly raised, allowing the vacuum to exit and return freely. There's also a small storage compartment in the front, making it more than just a cover. It doubles as functional furniture. Since it's a Pokemon edition, there's a fun hidden feature. Every time the vacuum leaves or returns to its station, a random Pikachu sound effect plays. Pikachu! If you find it too noisy, you can always turn off the sound. Even though this is a Pokemon-themed edition, the design itself remains sleek and sophisticated rather than overly playful. On top, there's a circular table, along with 2 USB-C ports, making it practical as a side table for charging your phone or placing a lamp. But what about when you need to refill water or empty dust from the vacuum station? Just slide the cover cabinet aside. Thanks to the sliding pads on the chrome legs, it moves effortlessly. Now, the downside. The price. It's released at $400, which is quite expensive. However, the premium finish, materials, and unique design justify the cost. If you're looking to integrate your robot vacuum into your interior seamlessly, this might be worth considering. Other than Pikachu, there are also Squirtle and Togepi editions, which are equally adorable. By the way, this cover cabinet is designed for the Samsung Bespoke SteamEye model, but as long as your vacuum isn't too large, it should be compatible. Second product, Razor Vase. Next up is the Razor Vase, a dedicated razor cleaning station that ensures a thorough clean while extending your razor's lifespan. The silicone brush on top provides an initial cleanse by removing debris, and then the blade is submerged for an ultrasonic deep clean. Many men hesitate to replace razor blades frequently due to the cost. Using old blades can lead to skin irritation and even cuts, but replacing them often is quite expensive. This product helps maintain razor blades so they feel like new every day. Even though I regularly clean my razor with hot water and disinfect it with alcohol spray, I was shocked to see cloudy residue floating up when I placed my razor in the razor vase. It turns out, tiny hair particles and dead skin cells had been trapped between the blades. After using the razor vase, my razor provided an incredibly smooth and sharp shave, and many reviews echo this satisfaction. It also features a sleek design that complements any bathroom. A separate stand can be purchased for added convenience, making the razor storage look even more sophisticated. Since it's IPX7 water resistant, you can rinse it with water without worry. Plus, it only needs charging once every 6 months. If you use manual razors, this product could save you money in the long run while improving your shaving experience. Third product, Elago Desk Mat. Elago, known for making great Apple accessories, recently launched a new desk mat that's both well-made and reasonably priced. It's so popular that it's often out of stock. One unique feature is the magnetic folio board, which allows you to attach and organize items using magnets. The set even includes a MagSafe charger, making it easy to keep your smartphone setup tidy. You can also store various items in the compartment and manage cables neatly in the back. The desk mat itself also contains magnets, which help secure the folio board and attach additional cable management accessories to keep wires organized. Another cool feature is that the mat is detachable, allowing you to store documents underneath neatly. Compared to premium desk mats like the Obic desk mat, which costs around $70, the Elago desk mat is much more affordable. The mat alone costs around $30, while the full set with accessories and a charger is priced in the low $70 range. The only downside is that it can slide around on the desk a bit easily, but Elago is reportedly working on a fix for this. Fourth product, Hyundai Card, our Tools, Toolkit. This is a toolkit designed by Hyundai Card, featuring 15 tools packed into a credit card-sized case. Hyundai Card is known for its excellent branding and design, and this is one of their creative endeavors. The toolkit includes scissors, a money clip, tape, a measuring tape, a pencil sharpener, a stapler, and even a small clock, all compactly stored within a card-sized frame. It's an impressive idea, making it easy to store and organize tools in a sleek, minimalistic way. However, the price is quite steep at $100. At that cost, you could purchase high-quality versions of each tool separately. This is more of a collector's item or a novelty for design enthusiasts rather than a practical purchase. That said, all the tools function properly. While some might see this as an unnecessary luxury, I believe even small design efforts like this contribute to a brand's overall image, and I personally find it quite appealing. Fifth product, Allure Wave Allure Cable Series. I recently discovered some high-quality cables and wanted to share them with you. These include a 100 watts coiled aviation cable and a super thick 240 watts high-power cable. Both cables are exceptionally well made, with great design, color, and finishing details. The coiled aviation cable is perfect for wired keyboards, adding a stylish touch to your desk setup. Since it can stretch slightly, it's also handy for use with power banks. The 240 watts cable is ideal for high-power laptops or for fast-charging iPads at maximum speed. Looking at the details, the connectors are reinforced with aviation-grade materials, and the cables themselves are thick and durable, ensuring long-lasting use. If you're looking for a stylish charging cable with high performance, this is worth checking out. The packaging is also aesthetically pleasing, making it a great gift for tech lovers. That wraps up today's video. Which product did you find the most interesting? Leave a comment below and let me know, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.